I'm Lee Brown, I'm the R&D manager here at Glassflake. So the idea behind this video is just to demonstrate how simple it is to incorporate Glassflake into a resin type 3D printer. First step is just to thoroughly mix the Glassflake and the resin together. So I've weighed out a predetermined amount of the resin. I've now put the resin onto mix and I'm just slowly adding the Glassflake and making sure that it's going to be incorporated equally. I'm just going to cover it with a lid here to make sure no inadvertent UV light's getting in. Once it's thoroughly mixed, it's just a matter of pouring it into the resin vat and setting go on your printer. And there will be an amount of post-processing to do, cleaning the print and doing a final post-cure on it. This project is to demonstrate that the Glassflake can be incorporated to make a composite that's going to be stronger and stiffer than the base resins alone. What I'm doing here is I'm just fitting the test sample into the universal testing machine. I've took a number of measurements on the dimensions of the test sample, which I will input into the computer so that we can get the test data.